How to use the WPS button on your router.
Hello there. In today's video, we'll be discussing how to use the WPS button on your router to connect a device. If you've ever wondered about a quick way to connect devices without manually entering a password, then this guide is for you.
What is the WPS button?
WPS stands for Wi-Fi Protected Setup. It's a feature that allows users to easily connect devices to a Wi-Fi network without manually entering the network password. The WPS button is typically found on the back or side of your router.
When should I use WPS?
WPS is perfect for those situations where you have guests who want to connect to your Wi-Fi but you'd rather not share or input the password. You're connecting devices that might be tricky to enter a password on, like a printer or a smart TV. However, it's important to note that not all devices support WPS. Ensure both your router and the device you want to connect have WPS functionality.
How do I use the WPS button?
Here's a step-by-step guide. 1. Turn on the device you wish to connect to your Wi-Fi network. 2. Press the WPS button on your router. Usually, an LED will start blinking indicating it's in WPS mode. 3. Go to the device you wish to connect. If it has a WPS button, like some printers, press it. If it doesn't, navigate through its Wi-Fi settings and select the option to connect via WPS. 4. The device will automatically connect to the Wi-Fi network without requiring a password. You'll know it's connected when the device indicates it's online or the blinking LED on your router becomes solid.
Are there any security concerns?
While WPS is convenient, there have been security concerns in the past. To ensure you're safe, always update your router's firmware to the latest version. Disable WPS if you're not using it. Regularly change your Wi-Fi password, even if you often use WPS. That's a wrap on using the WPS button on your router. We hope this guide has been helpful. Remember, while WPS is super convenient, always prioritize your network security. Happy connecting!